This author gets millions of views and earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Just imagine how easy it is to create hundreds of similar videos in less than 5 minutes. Before we start, I know that the main question arises when creating these videos: is it possible to monetize them? And the answer is yes, it is possible depending on the uniqueness of the content. It is important to make the video unique to avoid repetitions. In addition, there are many ways to earn income without monetizing the channel. So let's just resolve this issue if it bothered you. Anyway, the two main tools we'll be using are GPT Chat and Canva, so keep them handy. To create attractive graphics for videos, we will use Canva to get rid of boring tasks such as creating a channel. You can choose any topic for example, geographical issues. Let's start by creating a table of 100 different geographical questions and 4 possible answers. Enter the questions in the first column, add the possible answers in the next 4 columns, starting with A, B, C, or D, and specify the correct answer in the 6th column. Shuffle the correct answers between options A, B, C, or D. Avoid repetitions and extremely difficult questions. If it makes it easier for you, copy and paste this into Canva. If it doesn't work, just tell them to convert it to Excel format. Thus, you will have ready geographical questions with answers. Continue using this method to create additional questions or replace the topic with, for example, flags or stories. Now that we've sorted out the GPT chat, let's create a real video using Canva, which provides a free trial for a month. Okay, here we are, and we now have a blank canvas to work on with a 9:16 aspect ratio. First, let's create a backstory. You can find it by going to the search bar and typing something like motion background. Choose the one you like and crop the video so that it lasts about 8 seconds for the best effect. Press R to get an object where you can change the size, color, and borders, and here will be your question, so we'll put it up. We will repeat this process, make a shape with rounded corners, and change the color to yellow. Here will be our 4 possible answers. So click Text and choose the font that best suits this type of video. Change the color to white and paste it into your first answer option. What I like to do to make the text stand out more is to add a small border and a faint shadow. Then group the parameter and the shape below it. Once it's grouped, you can just copy it and drag it below to get a total of 4 options. Then you can edit the text and insert other options if it makes sense. So, we have 4 options from which people can choose. Now we need our actual question from above. What should you have done in the first place? But if you don't just copy it, put it up and make sure everything is written in the same font. Maintain consistency. We're getting closer to the goal, we just need to add some effects to make your video a little more interesting. Add an image related to the question. For example, if the question is about the country's capital, I'll just add an image of the country's flag or something like that. You can find it directly in Canva or get it from Google Images. Next, we need our timer. Canva has a lot of options, so choose the one you like, but make sure it counts down, not up. Now you can set the timer on top or bottom, right? It really matters. Just make sure it's visible because that's the aspect that makes people want to see the whole thing. Because they know they have time and they want to respond quickly. Since our first video will be 8 seconds long, we use the last 2 seconds to show the answer, which means we will shorten it. Shorten our fragment to 6 seconds by simply right-clicking on it and showing the timeline. Then shorten the video to the right place. Make sure the timer is set correctly, and we're done with the first part. Now for the last 2 seconds, we need to really reveal the answer, and for that, just duplicate the video. Correct answer, make it a little bigger, change the color of the object to green, and make sure it is on top of the corresponding option. Then crop it so that it is displayed only in the last 2 seconds. Add animation for a more dynamic and frequent pop-up. If you want to go further, add sound effects. The timer with the sound effect is already there, so don't worry about it. In the following videos, just reuse this formula, change the text, and possibly the background. It won't take more than a minute. I recommend making 5 simple questions and combining them into one short one. If you have 5 questions lasting 8 seconds, it won't take more than a minute. The video lasts 40 seconds, which is great. Add voice acting with artificial intelligence from 11 Labs. It's also free. If you put effort and creativity, your channel will grow quickly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wake of my training programs. analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.